Experience the potential for exponential growth with accumulators, available exclusively on the Deriv Trader platform. Accumulators can open up new opportunities with their innovative payout structure. In this video, we'll dive into accumulators, explaining how they work and guiding you through a step-by-step trade. With accumulators, you have a chance to earn up to 5% compounded growth per tick by predicting if the market price will stay within a specific range. Here's the Deriv Trader interface. You can find accumulators in the Trade Type menu on the top right. You then choose your instrument from the menu on the left. The accumulators are currently available with any of Deriv's volatility indices. Let's select the Volatility 25 index as an example. Next, you pick your growth rate. Choose between 1% to 5%. This sets your upper and lower barriers. A higher growth rate means a tighter range for price movements, potentially higher rewards, and increased risk. Enter your trade amount. Start with as little as 1 USD or go up to 100 USD. Let's try 10 USD. Click Buy to open your trade. If the market price stays within the barriers, your potential payout grows at 5% each time the price moves. The Sell button shows your potential payout. Click this button to secure your profits before the price touches or breaches either barrier. If the price touches or breaches the barriers, you lose any unrealized gains plus the initial amount you put into the trade. Before you click Buy, you can set a take profit level. This will automatically close your trade and secure your payout if it reaches the take profit level. Be aware of slippage when closing your trade, as the market price might change before your order reaches our servers, affecting your payout. With Deriv, you're assured full transparency. You have quick access to your recent trades here, or go to the Reports tab to access your detailed trading history, including profit loss and reference ID for every trade. Ready to try accumulators for yourself? Sign up for a free Deriv demo account and launch Deriv Trader from your Traders Hub to experience this exciting new trading opportunity risk-free.